Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by explaining why flaxseed helps hair and how to make a gel. Combine 2 tablespoons flaxseed with 1 cup water and simmer for 10 minutes while stirring. Watch the mixture thicken until it becomes a slippery gel texture. Remove from heat and strain the gel through a fine mesh or old stocking into a bowl. Allow the gel to cool to room temperature before applying. Store the gel in a sealed jar in the refrigerator where it will last for 7 days. Next, describe the rosemary oil method and how to apply it safely. Mix 5 drops rosemary oil with 1 tablespoon carrier oil, such as jojoba or sweet almond. Stir the blend and transfer it to a clean dropper bottle for easy use. Section hair and apply 1 to 2 drops to each section, avoiding contact with eyes. Massage the scalp gently for 6 to 8 minutes using circular motions to stimulate blood flow. Repeat this massage every other night for consistent results. Finally, cover how to combine flaxseed gel and rosemary oil for a routine. After shampooing, apply flaxseed gel to damp hair as a leave-in styling product 2 to 3 times weekly. On nights when you do not use gel, perform the rosemary oil scalp massage to support circulation and follicle health. Alternate treatments to avoid excess buildup and use gentle sulfate-free shampoo when cleansing. Monitor your scalp for irritation and discontinue use if redness, itching, or discomfort appears. Consult a professional if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.